Hi guys, my name is Moyo and I'm currently teaching myself how to code and sharing my journey with you guys. So you people have been asking me that what kind of laptop is affordable, what kind of laptop should you use as a beginner, and you guys are asking for affordable laptops, right? So we're going to talk about that in this video. First of all, if you're looking for something affordable, to be honest, I don't feel like you should go for a new laptop. There are second-hand laptops that work perfectly, because if you're buying new laptops, they are generally way more expensive. And the truth is that if you're buying a new laptop here, let's say you need a Core i5 now, and you want to buy the new one of Core i5, it might be like maybe times 2 or times 1.5 of the used one, and you may not be able to afford that. So I think that if you're trying to save cost, you can go for a UK used laptop. It will help you to, afford something stronger but at a relatively cheaper price. You get? And in my opinion, if you're able to manage your laptop very well, it will last you for a while. So this is what I currently use. I currently use this Core i5. It is a HP laptop. This is what it looks like. I think I need to clean the screen. Let me clean the screen. I got this laptop last year. And it works perfectly well. Look at it. This is it. So I can fold it into two. And guys, I really like this laptop. It's not that heavy. I can carry it anywhere I want. And I got a UK used laptop. Then I got it for 240,000 naira. I don't know how much it will cost right now, but I know that it will definitely not be close to the price of getting a new laptop. So that is why I'm suggesting that you get a used laptop. Then when you can't afford another one, then you can go and get another one. And in my opinion, I feel like getting a UK used laptop is just like, in your head you're like, okay, I've gotten this laptop, so when I get a job, to be honest, when I get a job, I'm going to obviously change this laptop. I'm not going to be using this laptop forever. So yes, you can opt in for a UK used laptop. Another thing that you can do, let's say you want to get a new laptop by force, you can get like a Core i3. If you're looking for affordability, honestly, I feel like HP is your best friend. I've not used other laptops before, all these Dell, Lenovo, I've not used them before, but HP, I know that HP is very much affordable. So you can buy anything from a Core i3. This is a Core i5. I don't know if I mentioned this is a Core i5, and I love it. I love it very much. Just that. So the only thing I'll mention is that when you're buying a UK used laptop, make sure that you're buying from a reputable brand. There are brands that sell UK used laptops and they will not stress you. So although I will not say that this laptop is perfect, to be honest, I have like a little issue with this laptop. The issue is that sometimes when it gets hot, when I'm not inside the house with AC, it can just be shouting, like the fan will just be making noise. I don't know if you guys know what I can do about it. Just tell me in the comment section. But apart from that, it works perfectly well. It doesn't stress me, it doesn't lag, just works exactly the way I want. That's just the only issue. So if you can afford to buy a new laptop, definitely go for it. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly laptop, HP #1 is your best friend. You can buy from a Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, anyone that you want. And also, don't forget to buy from a reputable brand. And what else? Yeah, that's it. So where I got my laptop from is from Dabz Global. I'm going to leave a link to their Instagram page below. I have a guy there. His name is Mr. Moses. So I can drop his number in case you want to get your used laptop. Just tell the man, Mr. Moses, that you're from Moyo, and he's going to treat you well. He's my guy. I buy things from him. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to leave me a comment below if you have any more questions. I will be happy to answer you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.